about we make you
Indian.
an Indian? Take your finger.
Look in her eyes.
Look in my eyes. Now, like this. Take your finger down.
You gotta
Like
think of Indian.
this. And go on. Take your finger.
Look in her eyes.
Go like this. Go like this. Take your other finger. Gary,
Is he relaxing?
you
Is he
can't
gonna
laugh
sleep?
or concentrate.
Is he
Go
gonna
like
sleep?
this. Now you concentrating? Go like this.
Tammy, you gotta get serious if you're gonna get them to hypnotize them.
I know that. I can't, because we're going to get it.
Yes,
You go like this. And go like this. Go on there. Go like this. Go around. Go like that. Now, put your plate down. Do you feel like an Indian? Does it feel like you got hypnotized and feel like an Indian? No? Look at Gary.
You sure you don't feel like an Indian? Look like you're in war paint.
Look in the mirror.
Look at your face.
So let me see the bottom of the plate, Tammy.
Uh-huh.